Well, I never thought I would have one. Now I have two. Yes, another Champion 400 blower. I was trying to find some replacement parts for the original blower that I have. Some of the caps are all beat up. And actually I was looking for some of the rest of the setup. There's a heavy duty bracket, manifold piece that holds, a heavy cast iron piece that holds the three legs. But trolling through eBay, I came across this. I actually got it, the whole setup, cheaper than when I got the other one. Because overall, this is in really, really good condition. There is a bit of play in the crank area. I'm not gonna try to do a full restore on this. She turns fairly well. I really like to open these up and get in there and you know, see what I'm dealing with. They're solid. They're like solid. This thing is like heavy. It's like really heavy. I have the other one. It works well. It just needs to be opened up and cleaned out a little bit. And then I could utilize the stand that came with this and save this restoration for another time. I did notice one thing. Apparently there's different sizes. This is my first blower. And you can see there's a big difference between the sizes here. Honestly, this one's probably overkill, but it's so cool. There we go. Another Champion 400 blower. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really like the comments. I try to answer everybody's because I don't get too many, but the ones that I do, I really appreciate. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel like what I'm doing is worthwhile. I don't get to put videos out as often as I like, so I'm always pleasantly surprised that new people are signing up and some of the old people are sticking with me. Another Evil Twin X video here, and catch you soon. Evil Twin X saying later, guys.